All right, so Brandon, this is how I'm able to get my PowerPoints embedded. I don't think there's anything wrong with you using Google Slides, but if we want uniformity, this is what you would do. So basically, Bryn maybe can figure out how to do it from the desktop, but I don't see the options. So I opened my PowerPoint slide in OneDrive or Office 365. And if you go to this file and go to share it, you get the option to embed this. And so then you get this embed code here and you can copy it. You can change the size of it, whatever you want, but then you go back into, I shouldn't have closed out of that because I'm still in this. If you go into, for example, a treble choir class, whatever, and you add materials and you add a file, if you go to the link, you just paste your embed code in there, give it a title, and then add it. You'll see it's down here. I did this one differently than that, so ignore that, but this is where it lives. And if I were to say go in and view the course as one of my students, when they click on this, it loads the PowerPoint for them. And there it is. So that's how I do it if I'm embedding. And the nice thing with embedding it this way, which is what I'm going to do moving forward because this is clunky, is if you make changes, they will see changes reflected in it without you having to upload it again. So when we use the one that's from the cloud, basically, it allows you to, all changes will be reflected in their Schoology because you really pasted a living, breathing link that you could edit. So anyway, that's my 2 cents worth on how I would do this. And I got to figure out how to stop screen sharing. Where's my stop button?